others. Okay, then we'll go to the next one, right? So that is, what is that? Okay, next we'll make this line chart and table and this pie chart. So line chart is expenses and revenue, right? So let's take a line chart, and here we have to put x-axis as a month, and then expenses and revenue is the type, right? So the type we have to use. Okay, category code we have to use. Okay, so let's make a line chart here. And x-axis is what, guys? Month. So month from calendar table we have to take. Okay, let's go to master, and let's go to calendar table, and from here month we'll select x-axis. Okay, then y-axis is your expenses and revenue, right? So that is nothing but your amount. Okay, amount we have to use legend and split into expenses and revenue. Okay, guys, so amount you have to put in the y-axis, and legend we have to put your category code. Okay, so something wrong happened here. Let's say this, okay, this x-axis is okay. Then we have to put y-axis amount, we have to make it as a sum. Okay, then we have expenses and revenue. Expenses and revenue, where they are, let's see the table, and expenses and revenue we have type. Okay, guys, so split by type. Okay, so legend is type, guys. Okay, okay, let's see what is this saying. Cannot display the data because can't determine the relation between two or more fields. So from date to that date we have to create a relationship that we forgotten. Okay, guys, so here, okay, remove this is not required. Okay, so we want a relationship between master table and date table, right? So master table, and where is my date table, calendar table? This one. Okay, come here and come here. Okay. Okay, guys, here you have to create a relationship between date and date. Okay, master sheet and calendar date. Then you will get the visuals like this, right, guys? So cost, expenses, and revenue. So here conference hall, there is no cost. That's why it's not, cost is not displayed. But in case of hotel, if you see, cost, expense, and revenue are there. So this graph is matching with this. So whatever we are doing, it's correct. Okay, guys. Then select format and take the data labels on. Okay. So data labels is not displayed, only points he has displayed. So data labels you can switch off and then put markers on. Okay, so this is your line chart. Okay, then is a table and amount. Okay, that also you can make simple table and amount. So table and amount. Okay, so this is my table. So month and amount, right? So month and amount. So this is the data for this small table here, whatever is showing. Okay. Then gross profit by category code is a pie chart. Okay. So gross profit by category code. Let's take a pie chart here. Okay. Then he's asking what? Gross profit by category code. So gross profit we have to use. Category code is legend, right? And value is gross profit. There are my values here. My measures are gone to April table. It's no problem. So gross profit here. Okay. So this is my pie chart here. So single circle for hotel. Okay. So we are going in correct direction, right? So here remove the legend and make this test and percentage only we have to show. So for that go to format and legend off. Okay. And data labels on, but we have to select outside only. Label contents will select category and percentage of total, only these two. Okay, it's rooms 100. Okay guys, so like that we'll complete the pie chart. Then we'll go to the next one. That is let's go to here. It will is for hotel, there is no data, that's why blank. So here interesting thing is there. So he's asking to populated data monthly and dinner income and alcohol income. Okay. So dinner income and alcohol income you want to split month wise and display in a legend in a custom column chart. For this we have to write a measure. Okay. Dinner income and alcohol income we have to write a measure. Okay guys. So for that if you see here my table master. Okay. So if you see here, so income from alcohol and income from dinner is asking. So we have to take a amount and type revenue we have to take. Income means revenue, right? So type revenue we have to take and category code should contain dinner or alcohol. Okay. For alcohol it should contain. From dinner income, dinner should contain. Okay guys. So for that we have to write a measure. So here is a twist is here. For example, if you see here, there is a dinner and here dinner revenue. Okay. Both are revenue only. Okay. So these two we have to consider. So we cannot give a filter that category code equal to dinner or category code equal to dinner I for revenue. We cannot give. So we have to use a DAX function contain string. Okay guys. For dinner alcohol also same thing because there is a alcohol rows are there and alcohol revenue is there, so you cannot go by alcohol keyword. So you have to use the DAX function contain string. Okay, so let's write a measure. Okay, let's write a measure dinner income guys. Okay, so this is nothing but calculate amount amount calculate sum of the amount. Okay, sum of the amount master amount, right? Sum of the amount master amount and type equal to revenue. Okay, type one filter is type equal to revenue, master type equal to revenue. Okay, and one more filter we have to use contain string. Okay, so contain string we have to use. What is, so we have to use a filter function. Okay, table is master. Okay, comma, filter expansion is contain string. Okay guys. Okay, so contain string, right? Okay, then within what test? Category code. Okay, category code of master. Okay, and what test we have to find? We have to find the test dinner. Okay, so this is the DAX for finding the dinner income. Okay guys, So dinner income will get, right? Same thing for alcohol, right? A new measure and here replace dinner with alcohol. Alcohol, okay. So revenue, everything same. Here it uh, changes to alcohol test. Alcohol, okay. So these two measures we have written. Then go here and we have to populate with months and dinner income and alcohol income, right? So let's see. Let's take a custard column chart, okay? And here x-axis is your month, right? Month, and y-axis is dinner income and alcohol income, right? So where are my incomes? Dinner income and alcohol income. Here it is there, okay? So dinner income and alcohol income, okay? So for hotel, there is nothing. That's why it's showing blank, guys. Don't worry. Go to conference hall, then you will get the data. Okay. So here dinner income is there. Alcohol income, it's not displaying. So something wrong here, guys. Let's see. Alcohol income. Alcohol spelling I have written wrong, or let's see the data and check up. So alcohol, what is the spelling of alcohol, guys? Here, let's see. HAL, I have written HOL. That's why it's not displayed here. Okay, guys. So this debugging also is very important in Power BI DAX. Okay. So you have to debug your queries. If something is not working, then see where you are going wrong. Okay. Alcohol spelling I have written wrong. That's why nothing is displayed. Now it will display alcohol also. Okay, guys. Same thing we got right. And two cards we have to put dinner income and alcohol income. Okay. So dinner income and alcohol income, two cards. Okay. Take a card and dinner income. Where is my master sheet and dinner income, right? This is dinner income without any borders or nothing. Okay. Then, okay. And control C, control V. And this is my alcohol income. Okay. So here tricky part is there where you have to display this upon this custard column chart, right? So for that there is a trick is there. Select cards here. Okay. Okay, put cards here like this and one more card like this here, guys. Then they will display. So for this, see, they are not displaying. If you click outside, they will display. For this, you have to remember that select this thing custard column chart and go to view and go to selection, and always remember that okay your cards are above the custard column chart, then only you can display upon the custard column chart. You have to remember that this layer order cards should be on the top and custard column chart should be in the bottom. Then these cards will be displayed on the custard column chart like this. Okay, guys. Then the last one is there. So here type expenses, revenue and month wise. Okay, this is also simple thing. So take a custard column chart here. Okay. Custard column chart, right? Then month. Okay. So where is my calendar? Calendar month. Okay, x-axis is month and y-axis is amount, this is amount, okay, and expenses and revenue. Okay. Okay, so we have to use amount here on y-axis. Okay, right. and split by legend type, right? Okay, split by legend type. Okay, guys, so you'll get like this. So here small uh, color is there, it's not visible here in the bottom. Okay, if you are seeing some other color is there, same it is displayed here clearly. But this is stacked column chart. I use the legend stacked custard column chart I used, but we have to use the stacked column chart. So click on this one. Okay, guys, you'll get like this, right? Then we have to use a donut chart here. So click on here and click a donut chart. Okay, this is my donut chart. And here also same thing. Okay, same thing. Add amount by type, right? So legend is type and values are amount. Okay, so it will display like this, guys. So remove everything. So because only one donut is there, nothing is there, right? No labels, no percentage, nothing here. That's why remove everything from here. Select this and go to format and remove legend, remove data labels, everything. Okay, so this is donut chart. Okay, guys. So this everything work with your slicer here. So if you want to see the restaurant values, restaurant, and hotel values, hotel, and conference values, conference, you can see. So like this, we have to make the dashboards and submit to the your interviewer, send the PBX file, then you will get selected. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Ami Tutorials for more such amazing practical exam papers solutions.